The engine waits beneath the rain. Your photograph is on the seat. I hear your voice inside my head, but I won't turn around the street. One last cigarette, one final look behind. I left my heart somewhere back there, but I took back my life tonight. Your dress is hanging by the door. Your perfume lives inside these walls. I know the man I was before, but I don't know him anymore. You said forever, I believed your words, but forever broke like glass, and silence said what love never could. So let the highway call my name, let every mile erase the pain. I don't know where I'm going, but I know I can't stay. I'm riding on, with the midnight at my side. I'm riding on, leaving everything behind. No more tears, no more chains, no more calling out your name. I'm riding on, till I find myself again. The city lights are fading fast. The rearview mirror tells no lies. I see our memories disappearing like burning stars across the sky. I've got a broken heart, I've got an empty road. I've got nothing left to lose and nowhere left to go. Let the highway call my name, let the thunder wash away the pain. If freedom has a price, tonight I'm gonna pay. I'm riding on, tonight. I'm riding on, I'm riding on. Goodbye, my love, goodbye. The road goes on, the night rolls by, and somewhere beyond the morning I will learn to fly.